normal by 10:50 p.m. Winds up to 45 miles per hour, and brief heavy rain are expected with these storms. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots from 3 nautical miles southwest of Captain Harbor to 3 nautical miles northeast of Hempstead Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Stamford Harbor, Cold Spring Harbor around 10:40 p.m., Huntington Bay, Long Neck Point around 10:45 p.m., Smithtown Bay, Norwalk Islands around 10:55 p.m., Benfield Reef around 11:05 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.